Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly go through what you should be working on in class today. Okay, so our goal for today is going to be to multiply polynomials. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you'll need a blank sheet of paper and your Chromebook, and you're going to watch this video lesson. This lesson goes through exactly like if I were there in class. So I stop and have you write a problem down. I work through the problem with me. So watch that video and practice the example problems with me as we go through it. When you're finished with that, you're going to come back here to the module. You're going to click on this and it's going to give you 7 practice problems. Please complete those practice problems and then check your answers. And I have the answers, and then if you keep scrolling beyond the answers, you'll see that there are the steps worked out. If you still have any questions, then what you need to do is click onto the Zoom link below. I will be on here for our entire class period. And then you can come into the Zoom room and I can share my screen and go through any problems that you need assistance on. Okay, so after you've got the practice problems complete and you understand what you're doing, you're going to go into Canvas and complete the multiply polynomials 1, and I just simplified it multiply 1, so you're going to complete that. Okay, now at that point some people might be done for today or done with this lesson, but right here you're going to see if you have not completed polynomials 1 from last week, or if you want to improve your score, please do so today. So I Canvas messaged students who did not have this complete. So if you got a Canvas message from me yesterday, then you definitely want to do this. If not, you want to check your score, and if you want to improve your score, you can go ahead and do so today. In other things, please look at number 6. If you're interested, after seeing the score on your exponents test, in reforming your learning, then you need to do the following 2 things. The first thing is you must Canvas message Miss Liseko today. So if you're interested and you're going to do this, you do it right now and tell me you'd like to begin the reforming your learning process on exponents. Okay. The second thing that you're going to do is your first assignment to start this process is to complete this module. Okay. Now, once again, if you are fine with your score on your exponents test, then number 6 is an optional item. If you are interested in trying to improve your score, improve your learning of exponents, then you've got the 2 things to do: message Miss Liseko and complete this module. Okay. Zoom link is right here. If you have any questions, even about about what we're doing today, or how to do problems, or questions about number 6, our exponent test, then go ahead and just use that link and ask me what you need to ask me. Keep in mind that if we were going to happen to have an e-learning day on Thursday, this is pretty much how this module would be set up. So I'll have a video that says watch it first, and then from there it'll tell you what we're going to do. All right, have a good day.